So you've been to the model home, you've picked the home design you want, you signed a contract on the base level options of the house. What's next? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. All right, hey guys, what's going on? It's Eric Sztanyo with Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com. I'm a Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky realtor. Today we are in front of the Fischer Homes corporate office here, their design center. We're checking out what happens after you buy your house, what happens after your contract. Well, you get to go to this very cool design center where you get to pick out everything about the home. They walk you through it all the way from the shingles to the knobs on your counters or on your cabinets, and it's a really fun process. So let's go kind of check it out. Now, some other builders are gonna have their design options actually in the model home, and it's not as fancy as a process. With Fischer, it's a lot different. Once you sign your contract, you're gonna actually be scheduling a day to come to their corporate office, their design center, wherever that is, whether that's in Cincinnati or Northern Kentucky. Here we're in Erlanger, Kentucky for the Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky Lifestyle Design Center. But you're gonna schedule a date and you're gonna spend all day here basically. They've got representatives here who are gonna walk you through the entire process. If you're not great at design, it's okay. They're gonna help you put together all the options, but you get to choose everything here. Now, every builder does this a little bit differently in terms of the base costs and the upgrade costs, but it is important to realize, particularly if you're going with Fischer Homes and some of the other homes nearby, Drees or MI Homes, that when you choose your base model selections and sign the original contract with the builder, that's in order to get them started on the project so that they can go pull permits and talk with zoning and basically start to dig the hole and pour the foundation and get going. When you come here to the design center, you need to realize that this is the place where you get to, yes, choose all the fun things and choose all the details, but also you need to think through your budget, because when you walk through that model home, everything is gonna look really pretty, everything's gonna look really shiny, and everything's gonna be kind of the top level, right? And so you might come here and experience a little sticker shock when you see, oh, I really wanted that, but it costs how much? And they're gonna run it through here on a computer on the screen, and you can kind of see, like, whatever your budget is, you can go through all the different options and say, well, I really wanted the upgraded tile, or I really wanted the upgraded counters or cabinets or vanity or whatever it is, and you can kind of play with that in your budget. So it's important, I think, to whatever your contract price is on the base options, you leave a little bit of room so that when you go to the design center, and that could be 20 grand, 30 grand, 40 grand, you just know what your budget is going in so that when you come here, you can have fun playing with all the different options. So guys, this is one of the most fun things about buying a home, right? Is when you get to come to this place, and one of the reasons you're probably buying a new home and not a resale home is that you get to come and make it the way you want it. You get to pick out the color scheme, the design scheme, the tile, the flooring, the shingles, the brick, the stone, everything in the house. And that's one of the most exciting parts about buying a new house. When you schedule this day, come excited. Don't get overwhelmed by the stress of everything. Remember, they're gonna have representatives here to help you kind of get through that decision-making process. But really enjoy the day because you get to make this house your own. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up our tour here at the Fischer Homes Corporate Center. I got to visit one of my good friends who works at Fischer Homes, who kind of works on the training side of things. He used to work with the sales reps. Now he's working on the construction. It's really fascinating stuff about where the construction business is going in general. I might have to do another video of that for you, but I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see from the design center, I mean, there's literally everything here. You're picking your front door, you're picking your outdoor lighting, you're picking your kitchen counters, you're picking your cabinets, you're picking your hardware for the cabinets, you're picking your bathrooms, you're picking the carpet, you're picking your paint colors. Everything is here, and it's a fun day. You know, be prepared to come here kind of knowing what you want. It's a good idea to look at all the houses that you've seen before. So if there are particular models or directions you want to go, you can kind of lean that way. But like I said, they're going to have representatives here to help you through that process. They're very good at what they do so that you don't get overwhelmed with all the different decisions. So if you did decide to go with the Fischer Homes, in Northern Kentucky or Cincinnati area, this is the building where you're going to go. It's, you know, it's an older looking building, but inside you can tell it's fun, and they've got it updated, and they've got all the different design options for you to choose from. As always, guys, if you're going to buy a new construction house, I strongly recommend that you reach out to a realtor. It doesn't have to be me, but we would love to help you if you're thinking about buying new construction in the Cincinnati area. Someone who can help your hand through the process, someone who can help you through the lending process, someone who can help you on the inspections process, someone who's going to go to bat for you. Certainly you can work with only the builder if you want, but the builder pays for your buyer's agent. You don't have to pay for it. It's completely free to you. So why wouldn't you want that extra representation on your side? That's what we recommend. So if you're looking to buy a Fischer home or any other new construction in the Cincinnati area, give us a call at Team Sztanyo, 513-813-6293. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to watch a lot of the other videos we've done on new construction in the area, and we will talk to you next time.